Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to BONK update today, and we still have some journey to actually move up to 29,000-ish and probably even 49,000 in the future. Now the thing that I want to say is that Bitcoin probably took out some stop losses. The people were so bullish all of a sudden, it went down, took some stop, and that is pretty normal in crypto. I don't think it's a big deal. It's nothing like to be scared of. Only if you're not leveraging way too much, you shouldn't be really scared. But the thing is with BONK right now, this meme coin, I just want to check the EMAs right now. Okay, so EMAs still have a bull cross, and as far as I'm concerned, it seems like this yellow line that you see, the 10 EMA itself, has been a very, very big support, isn't it? So yeah, this target here is not invalidated. On a technical perspective, honestly, if the coin does come down to below this line, below 29,000 and something, this is going to be actually when you invalidate the move to the upside on a technical perspective, because once again, I showed you the pattern before, and just going to remove that, bring it back again, and if I do show you this thing, it's actually a pattern here. So you broke above this whole pattern, and that pattern actually takes you to the upside, to these technical targets that I've been giving you. Now I'm going to keep it very, very simple and tell you that the focus is on the EMAs right now, so I'm just going to bring it back again. Now we may see some few consolidation, and who knows, make another big pennant right here. So that's what I'm pretty much going to be watching in the next few days. Maybe just make a pennant and then break above the pennant and even continue one more time to the upside. And if you do end up making a pennant right here, let's actually talk about that case as well. So if you make a pennant, then I personally believe you're looking for a technical target from there to there, and this is going to be another push, and you're looking for 218,000 push to the upside. So basically that can actually offer another 103% move in the future. So I do believe in the middle of the way you're going to be taking some few stop losses. Let's just check how the 4-hour time frame looks like. I think it will be pretty normal to just move sideways and touch the 55 basically, and maybe make another pennant right here and then push up. Now however, you have to be careful. If on the 4-hour time frame you start to go down and lose the 55, you go below the 55, and then this makes a bear cross, that will be a little bit of a problem. So do make sure you follow this channel, because I'm thinking of doing these updates regularly now, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.